Happy 2024, everyone. I'm so sorry I've been offline for the last few months of 2023, but it's not because there was nothing going on. In fact, there was a lot going on. And the two primary things I was working on during the last few months of 2023 were two law review articles, both coming out in 2024. One called No More Wild West, The Need for Professional Standards for Wellness Professionals, and the second one is called Countering Wellness Bias Through Wellness Legal Partnerships. And both, I think, are going to be fantastic reads as well as fodder for discussion throughout the year. One of the things I wanted to highlight is that did you know that a lot more people are starting to substitute wellness services for traditional medical care? And this, I think, is only going to get worse. There is a Supreme Court case, a case working its way up to the Supreme Court called Braidwood v. Becerra. And it is the case that has been brought by several groups that disagree with the free preventive care services that were instilled by the Affordable Care Act. And they are arguing that these services should not be 100% covered by the government for various legal reasons. And ultimately, what this does is jeopardize free preventive services in traditional medical care settings. And this against the backdrop that people already feel like the traditional medical system is very lax on preventive care, doesn't give it enough attention, at least the amount of attention that consumers want. So a lot of consumers turn to wellness services to get that preventive care, to get that attention that they crave from traditional medicine, which isn't happening right now in traditional medicine. So, and we can talk about that too as to why that is, but that, needless to say, wellness might start taking even more prominent position in the daily lives of people as we move forward. And because of that, there's even more urgency for standards, that universal standards for people who identify in the wellness industry. And that's one of the articles that I wrote and will be talking about in 2024. So I look forward to re-engaging now that those two articles are behind me, and I do wish you all a wonderful new year, and thank you all for your support for the Center for Health and Wellness Law over the last 10 years. Happy New Year.